It is 9 a.m. and we're just leaving the hotel. We're going to hit several waterfalls, but first we're going to stop at a glacier. I think it's called a glacier. And the day we're going to be finishing in Bergen. I want to get to Bergen quite early so we can actually see several things. So I cannot wait to see this. And we are heading out right now.
Just a 20-minute ride from the hotel, the glacier peeks through the mountains. It's easy to miss it, coming from the west, but it's a must stop if you are riding through. After a short break and a bit of maintenance, we headed towards Vikafjellveien, a road that's easily to miss since it's not part of Norway's 18 national tourist roads. Honestly, I don't understand why. The road climbs from fjord level to nearly 1,000 meters in under an hour, cutting through high mountain terrain. The descent on the other side was breathtaking, with sheep grazing along the roadside, watching over the valley below, between the challenge going up and the reward coming down. This road easily becomes one of my favorites.
About 43 minutes away from Bergen, so hopefully we'll get there on time so we can still have a look around in Bergen. It's such a beautiful city and I don't think it's supposed to rain today, so that is something quite rare for Bergen, so I really do want to enjoy the city.
We made it to Bergen and it's sunny. I know it sounds surprising, or I sound surprised, but I am surprised. Bergen is never sunny. So we're going to probably get some dinner and walk around. Oh, the city is so beautiful. Oh yeah, we are staying in Hotel Park in Bergen. It's a historical building, and it's like a
Whenever you calling my name, I'm taking my golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Norway's second largest city and one of its oldest, founded back in the Viking Age. The heart of it is Bergen, the old harbours district lined with colorful wooden warehouses from its days as a Hanseatic training hub. The next morning started at Steinsdalsfossen, one of the few waterfalls you can walk behind. The force is felt in every step, hard to leave behind. The Hardangerfjord led us to something even more majestic, Waterfalls. Its twin cascades roaring past an old stone bridge.
made it to our accommodation quite early tonight, so we actually managed to even take a walk around. And today has been very nice. When we checked the weather in the morning, it wasn't supposed to rain. We checked it also yesterday. So what? It was raining 3/4 of the ride. But tomorrow should be sunny, and that is important because we are going to ride Lisebotn. I cannot wait. I'm going to switch the bikes with the guys when we get to the top, and I will ride it down and up again, so I also can enjoy the road a little bit. But it was very nice day today, and this little town is also very charming. Yeah, it was very nice. All right. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, riding Lisebotn.